All right. Welcome to room 307 at the Conrad Rangali Island in the Maldives. Let's check out our room.
Hello, and welcome to the Sunset Water Villa right here at the Conrad Maldives. My name is Carisha, as you all know, and I am here to give you a tour. So ignore all this over here. We have to put our belongings somewhere, but we're going to start with the bedroom. So if you go straight ahead, so this is the main area here. We have the bed, and y'all look at this. This is for our honeymoon. So they have happy honeymoon, and then this is adorable. It says happy honeymoon, Leroy and Carisha. Thank you for sharing your happily ever after with us, Conrad Maldives. Then they got us some flowers, and look at the swans. That just stole my heart. And so we see the bed here. Okay, so the first thing you notice is you have a beautiful nightstand, and you have many switches. And one thing we wanted to go ahead and point out is that your plugs will work. So as you can see, this is my iPhone here plugged in, so you don't have to worry about bringing converters. Then you have a telephone. And then if we come right around, you see we have a nice sofa here. You have 4 colorful pillows. And then we have another nightstand here. Beautiful lamp. They showed them these beautiful brown hardwood floors. Aren't those gorgeous? So if you notice, we have a chair for you to sit in. I sat in here when we first checked in, so really nice. And then if you come over to the table, we have a lot going on here. So we have 2 wine glasses, and we are a Diamond member, so we got Prosecco. Excited to try that. And then here we got some lovely chocolates, which we can't wait to bite into. And then here we have our treat of the day. And looks like we got some green macaroons. And it came with this lovely note. A simple treat inspired by our herb garden. So it's basically a home garden herbs that they grow from their garden, and they give us tasty desserts. I don't know if they'll do this every day, but we'll see. And then we have some lovely fruit here. You have several remotes. And I did want to point out this beautiful television. And if you go to my profile, you can keep up with your balance every day if someone was interested in that and knowing what their balance is, because it looks like the charges rack up mighty fast. But when we checked in, we got several pieces of paper. So they do give you an itinerary of your stay. You definitely want to, well, it depends on the time of year you come, but I would suggest getting everything that you want booked, because there are people here who wanted to go to some restaurants tonight and they cannot go because things are booked literally for the week. So this is my itinerary of everything I have booked, restaurants and my excursions. And then they give you a map of the property. And that's pretty nice, so you know where you're going. And on the back of that map, it has all of the restaurants. So that comes in handy, and we go into all of them. And then here we just have a couple of menus. This is for the undersea restaurant, so you can see what they have, and you can let your host know if there's something, you know, that you can't eat, so they can get a replacement for you. And then they also gave us the Coco Grill menu. Now, as we get closer to other restaurant reservations, they'll give us more. And then if we continue along, y'all, check out this desk. Baby, show them the desk. And when you work, you literally have the ocean underneath. How amazing is that view? Like, I could work all day. I could work at my best full potential. But let's close business because we're on vacation. Okay, so if you keep moving, you have several more outlets. So like I said, your device is plugged right into the wall. I have my camera battery plugged up here charging. And then we have another nightstand. You have your outlets, and you have an alarm clock, which you're gonna need. And another thing that I wanted to point out that I forgot to tell you all is your television has the correct time. So you want to keep in mind that the Conrad is even 1 hour ahead of the time in Male. So if it's 5 in Male, 5 p.m., at Conrad, it's gonna be 6 p.m. Keep that in mind because you don't wanna be late. So let's go back to the front, the entrance. Look at this view. Like, this is one of the windows. Isn't that just gorgeous? And if you're patient, you'll see a lot of fish. But if you come this way, right here you have a whole station. It's like a bar, if I can move my bag. But you have different things that you can buy. You have drinks, little hors d'oeuvres, chips, and sunscreen. Now, if you get any of that, it's gonna cost you. So be cautious. And then this little mini bar menu here, you can click on that QR code and it will take you to the pricing for all of these items. So that comes in handy. And here you have a bottle opener. So check out the prices for everything before you purchase. Now moving right along, if we can get over all of my things, you have a little coffee station and an ice bucket. Now let's take a look at some of the drawers. So pan back for them. So we have all of these drawers down here, and we're gonna start with the fridge. One thing I wanted to point out is that your fridge is fully stocked with all type of items. And yes, it's gonna cost you. So be aware. You can enjoy until your heart's desires, but it's definitely a price. And then here we have more wine for you to enjoy, drinks. And then moving right along, you have your glasses. So you have water glasses, and then you have wine glasses. Be careful. So. And then here we just have some drawers if you need them. Okay, then moving right along, we have our coffee station. So you have different teas, different tea and coffee cups. And here's your little coffee, which I don't really make my own coffee. And then you have a trash can. And right here we have the closet. So we have our stuff in here already, but you have plenty of room to hang your items. You have a bench here to put your items on, excuse me. Then over here you have an ironing board. And at the very top, we've already used our beach towels for the day. But you have beach towels, and then next you have a beach bag. And they made sure to leave you a note letting you know that you can use the beach bag during your stay. And if you would like to take it home with you, you have to contact Conrad by dialing 0 to let them know you would like to buy a new one. They ain't got to worry about me. Let me show you how the bag. So it's cute, but it's not really anything that I would want to take home. So, but it's adorable to use while here. Okay, and then we have, it's like a flashlight, mosquito, flies, and cockroach spray. So they're letting you know it's critters in this joker. And then we have an iron, which I will need. I'm not going to pull that out. Watch out for the creepy crawlers. And then here we have a safe. And they have a couple of drawers. And then at the bottom, they give you slippers. So closet, pretty nice. And then here in the closet, you have a really nice mirror. It's nice for us ladies when we're trying to get up close and give those looks and get those little makeup looks, making sure everything is in place. All right, you guys, let's go to the next area. Here we got the bathroom. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this lovely bathtub. It can fit 2 people if you're interested, but really nice. And then you have a little bench here where you can relax. And then we have a his and her sink, which is really nice. They give you plenty of towels to use. Then here you have your face towels. And here we have a cup. We have tissues. We have, some lotion, mouthwash. Then here you have a dental kit with dental floss. You got some little face pads and Q-tips for your ears. And they're so kind to also give you a toothbrush and your face towels. And then here we have our Burrito soap and mouthwash. So a really nice thing. And I love this mirror. It's gorgeous and huge. Like, look at this view. Look at this view, y'all. Shout out that view, babe. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous?
Take a bath with a view.
And then in here, you know, we got a water room. This is where you get your business done. But what I love about Conrad Maldives, you can get your business done with a view. Now look at all this trash back here. This is why you gotta make sure you dispose of your trash in the proper way, because that shouldn't look like that, you know? And anything also, what I would suggest, anything that you're using during your stay that you can get rid of before you come, remove all the packaging, remove all your tags, because that's less trash. Because they do have issues with trash here. So the less you bring, the less they have to dispose of. I opened up everything, left this stuff in the United States, and brought the items with me, left the trash. Okay, let's look at the shower. Wonderful, nice big shower. You have a rain shower head at the top. And then over in the corner.
So you got some hair shampoo, hair conditioner, and body wash.
Alright. Nice shower, very roomy. Yep. And yes, the water gets hot.
Yep, and just to turn it on, all you gotta do is just press the button.
Yep.
That's it.
The shower was wonderful. And then also we have a laundry basket here, so you don't have to have things all over the floor. Put it in the laundry basket, and they got you. Alright, so let's go back out and go to the area that is the most important. Y'all, take a look at the shower. Look at this view. So you got 2 chairs here, recliners, then you have 2 chairs on this side, you got a table, and you got your pool. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at the view. Paying for it. Maldives just make you want to dance. Okay. And then over here we got some plants. Absolutely beautiful. And yes, they are real. And then over here, they have a note for you to be careful. The current is strong, and it is. It almost took your girl out the game. Listen, the current almost took me out the game, y'all. Had almost snatched me out of here, okay? I forgot to show you all the life jackets in the closet, but I'll show you that. And you have a little sprayer here for when you come from the ocean to spray off the dirt from your feet. And here is how you get down to the ocean. Show them that view. And be careful, because you will see crabs. You will see everything. I saw a crab. I saw some snails. Man, those crabs look like they want to eat me up. But the water is warm. The water is warm, so you don't have to be concerned about that. And the pool is nice. Babe, what do you think about this balcony?
It's a really nice place to be, to just relax, unwind.
Super relaxing. It's very relaxing. All right, let's go back in. Let me show you all. And look at this overwater hut, this top area. I think this is really nice. They did a really good job of just, you know, capturing overwater bungalows and what they look like. I am so in love with this decor and the way everything is. I love the whole wood theme that they have out here. If you notice, the table, the chairs, and everything is wood, and I absolutely love it. I wanted to show you all really quick, because I did forget the life jackets. So they're in your closet at the top. So definitely use those if needed. I saw a lot of people in the ocean and they had those on. So that is our room here at the Conrad Maldives. We're celebrating our honeymoon. If you got any questions, just ask, and we'll see you on our next
Non-stop adventure.
Peace.